my name is Su Chen. I'm currently based in Leeds, UK. The one that I completed was the Data Science Bootcamp. I think it's a three months bootcamp that I've done with the HyperionDev. I guess the biggest reason is the content of the course. So before I joined, I kind of read about what I will actually gain upon completion of the bootcamp, because there's so many bootcamps in the market, and I need to kind of like have a very clear mind in knowing what I want and to kind of match, like tick all the box whether this specific bootcamp actually fulfill what I want. I think it's a quite comprehensive bootcamp for I would say myself as beginners, because I have no background in programming, so to actually even doing data science technique. So the curriculum at the HyperionDev is really good. In terms of instruction, we do have a lot of resources that given to us, and also something like you can have like live chat when you are doing like the courses. So I think I will rate it to be very good for a beginner, and even I would say outstanding in my case. It's the second capstone project that I have done during my bootcamp. It's about using a Python to set up like a administration system. So it's more like you kind of register people into the system, like you check on whether you are already registered, then it's go yes or no, and then you start to prompt in to give in details. The barrier is quite high in the sense that you really have to do everything from scratch. So you have to write the code from scratch, and very biggest part of coding, especially for beginners, is when you have the bug in your coding. It's not something that's easy to be solved. I would say quite challenging, yet you gain a lot of experience and learning from the project. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we have like a 1 hour course. So an instructor will teach us like what programming language that we have to learn that week. And there's a live chat in there. When you know that you are actually having a group of people that's of the like same page with you, then it's really, really nice. I like that kind of like support system. And the instructors are very brilliant. They not only answer the questions that we have every time, in fact, they actually extend it. They usually throw back us like some other questions that's quite related. So that's nice, I think. I guess one of the biggest advantage is we actually work on quite real life data. I think we use like some top 500 companies' data, so they are quite real. That gives us a hint of how actually it is in the real. Not only that, we actually learn programming during the bootcamp. A series of homework in the bootcamp is how can we build our own brand. I would say if you really want to do like programming, or you want to like have a sense of how to do a data cleaning, data scientist or data analyst, definitely do a bootcamp. I mean, I think the courses are well organized. If someone is wanted to like do a course, wanted to change their career, I think bootcamp is a good start.